Hello guys, this is a short update as of 9:30 p.m. and we've really been accumulating some snowfall here. It did get a bit lighter, which is quite surprising to me. But we'll go back all the way to 3:55 in the morning, and you can see this snow was struggling at first, and then a huge mixing line formed in like the central Jersey part. So it definitely did struggle before, but it's really starting to accumulate now. But we're gonna see 2 to 3 inch snowfall hour rates possible in the next few hours of the storm. We can see that this storm is strengthening right here by these darker colors indicative of that. Temperatures are mostly on the freezing mark, 32. It's a little bit warmer near New York City, Newark. Starting to see a heavy banning feature just to the east of us, Old Bridge, east of East Brunswick. Yeah, you could see some pretty heavy snowfall there, but this is what's worrying me, because we're seeing like this very light band of snow, and it's starting to break up a little bit. So I don't like to see that, but we'll see what happens. So let's get current observations on the GFS, and yeah. So this storm was panning out like it was supposed to, panning heavy snowfall over central Jersey, northern Jersey, Philly, right on the cusp. New York City absolutely hammered. Additional amounts of snowfall. We could see another. Okay, so for the total snowfall, it's gonna be close to a foot, 10-to-1 ratio. But you should cut down those snow totals in like 3 inches. So probably 6 to 9 inches of heavy wet snow expected over parts of New Jersey. Like, these are some very high numbers. The Euro, it's like more like 8 inches, but still pretty significant. I mean, there's not much to say after that. The NAM model, pretty much the same thing. Let me go back to the radar. I mean, yeah, the heaviest snowfall will be from 9:30 right now to 12. And I think that's where we could see 2 to 3 inch snowfall rates, if it forms. I'm not sure if it's going to be heavy enough, but we'll see. Oh, yeah. Let's go to AccuWeather, because we can get an idea where the banding sets up. So it's 32 degrees currently, and we are starting to see these banding features. It wasn't there before. Yeah, there was heavy snow before, but now there's like these banding features like forming. And as you can see, right now in our area, there is not heavy snowfall. It's in fact very light. So this is what's concerning me, that I'm starting to see whites on the map, because that means there is no snow indicated on the radar. But let's hope that changes and like a band forms right here, so we get some heavy snowfall. I think that is gonna happen. Oh, we'll see, because these banding features are going a little bit more south than I thought. So yeah, there's gonna be a couple more hours. And what's pretty interesting to me is that the intensity has decreased a lot. Maybe at like 10 to 12, the greatest snowfall will happen. But I'm just a little nervous about that. We go over to tropical tidbits, the dynamics in the atmosphere from right now until 12 p.m. makes sense. Very dynamic right here. That means dynamic cooling is happening, and there might be some snow bands that will form over the next hour or two, and that might mean 2 to 3 inch snowfall hour rates. And same thing with the GFS. Same idea, except a little bit off the coast, but still the same idea. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. We're gonna end it at that for the 9:30 update. The latest radar is showing a blank spot right here. This is concerning because to the south of us there's a very heavy band of snow. And we want to get into that because right here it's starting to get even darker and darker. So that's indicative of at least 1 to 2 inch snowfall rates. Right now here it's not. It's like more like a half an inch an hour. So let's hope we get those heavy snow bands, and we'll be back with another update at 11 or 12 p.m. And I'll see you guys then.